Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, I wasn't going to make a video on this, and then now I am going to make a video on this because partway through it I was like, I should have made a video on this. First, I got this wrong. I got the panel on wrong. Second, I had this board upside down. Now, I got the panel on right, but I got this board backwards. So, what I need to do is remove the backboard, which I needed to do last time to flip it the correct way. And I did it without a video, but wanted to show you how I was able to do it. Take my flat blade knife and carefully insert it in between. Doesn't mean it'll go perfect every time. I actually had two little breaks, so you're going to have to do this at your own risk, but basically it's finding a place to get underneath it and then getting really close to the screw.
To the nail head, not the screw head.
You just don't, you want to make sure you're between the actual wood and the so you just want to get your knife in between in a good spot. And this one's going to be really easy on this side because I've already got this. But I want to be right up against the deal and then just twist. Nice and easy. And if it goes hard, try it from the other side. Once you've got something to work with, then it makes it much easier. That's it, just a little twist. On the other side, this side's all nailed down. We just need to find a place to get in. I want to make sure we're actually underneath and in between, and then right up against the nail. It's going to be the safest place. Again, you got to do it at your own risk. It may not work out, it may break, like I had a couple it did, but I was at a point of nothing to lose if it wasn't sitting right. So sometimes when you do these things when you're tired, and these particle board deals can be a little goofy in their own right. On this deal, what I need to do is re-separate it and flip the deal around. I should have noticed it when this deal didn't line up exactly right. But what I need to do is take these, untwist them, just like that. And then the second one, same thing. Right behind it. Sometimes the mishaps with these particle board furniture. So just a little quick video on fixing up a mishap. It's funny because I wasn't going to record it the first time, and then I was a little frustrated. And then I was like, I should have recorded it because it actually could be useful. So that's what I'm doing now. So now I can pull this apart nice and carefully. There we go. And then just push it up. Rotate it around. Pull off the other side. Looks like this one's hanging up a little. There we go. Pull it. Now this I'm going to rotate. I'm going to keep the deals down the way that I want them to rotate it in. This also seems a little loose, so we'll tighten that up while we're here. And just switch to my Phillips head. It's one of my favorite screwdrivers, this 6-in-1 screwdriver. I'll try to put a link in the description below. Really nice deal. Yeah, that was kind of loose too, so that's good. Anyway, it may be an all-around good thing that this happened, so that I could tighten that up properly. Alright, so now here we go. Inserting these on one way or the other. First, slide that side all the way in. Good. This side's not going all the way, so adjust it. There we go. And now we can get it in. These ones in. Just some of the stuff you run into with particle board furniture. Now we need to make sure we tighten all our deals down. These will lock it into place. And then don't forget your second row as well. Once this is done, and then you can double check. Once it's all done, all the stickers can be pulled off. But you know, I'm gonna tighten all these down. Now we're all back locked together. Now I can roll it over and reset the backing. How that should be. Dropped a few nails. The backing should line up nice and easy where it was before. So, nice simple deal. But now we should see it line up really good to the line up in theory kind of with my old holes and with everything else. So should be much easier now to put it all back together. At least in theory. Oh, well, actually had a couple nails that got smashed in here. So this one, use your hammer. You can also use a knife. You could get in there that easy with the hammer. This one I got one very stubborn one kind of embedded in there. So there we go. With the knife, and now I can get it with the hammer. That makes sense why that wouldn't line up for me with those deals. There we go. Now everything is going to line up good. It's those ones that give me. There we go. Now these should go real easy. I can't even push them in finger, but it's still going to lend a lot of strength to the steel once it's done. You can start them all and then tap them all in. Anyway, that's it for the deal. Alright, there it is. All of them back in. Everything now flipped the correct way. All the nails in. Nice and strong. All set. Little particle board wonder. It's a done deal. But that's fixing up a mishap with the particle board deal that you could do. Like anything, you got to use the information at your own risk. It's dangerous. Things can break. Things can cut you, pinch you, scratch you. You know, all the things that can happen. Now I can remove the stickers to make it a little bit better, and we'll be all set.